Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the LCD screen display on the Samsung Galaxy Tab A6 Lite tablet. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the tablet and remove the LCD screen from the front. To remove the screen, it needs to heat gently around the screen edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the front screen side on the heating pad and select the tablet heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once you feel the heating is enough, use a suction cup to lift the LCD screen. And then insert a plastic cup pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the LCD screen. Be gentle in this process. Some tablets might need extra heating. If your screen has many cracks, gently remove the pieces and take out the screen from the body. Next, gently lift the screen and then flip the screen to relax on the body. Next, take out the connector tape on the screen. Next, lift the lever and gently slide out the cable from the screen. Now you can free the screen from the body. Next, clean the adhesive on the frame. Next, install the new screen assembly on the body. First, apply glue or adhesive to the frame. Next, secure the LCD connector to the new screen and fasten the lever and tape. Next, turn on the screen for testing. You can always do this step before applying the glue. Next, gently slide in the screen from the bottom to the top. Slightly apply pressure on screen edges. Finally, we are adding binding clips to fasten the LCD screen. Leave it for some time and remove it. If not, use some rubber bands to tighten the screen to the body. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.